here again with the new video. This time I wanted to actually talk a bit about the Blue Bugs 3 by DROCON. In my last video I didn't really mention all of the cool stuff that is featured on this drone. So first of all, let's start with the top of the drone. You can remove it very easily, whether from the back here or the front. It just snaps right off like so. And now you can see the inside guts of the drone. What's really cool about this is that you can easily see where you can replace parts, like if this motor doesn't work on you or malfunctions or whatever, you can easily replace it. You disassemble it and it's easy to replace. Now this here is for if you want to add an FPV camera or another type of camera that would fit in here in this slot right here. And to do that, you would just remove this, remove the LED light from its place, connect it here, and then put it right into that slot. There's several camera attachments that you can buy. There's, I believe, a Wi-Fi one where you could relay the video feed directly onto your phone via the app, or there's also the FPV version where you can just use the goggles, the virtual goggles. And then you have this slot here. You can remove that, and you have a cool panoramic camera. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I really like how you can just easily pop this off and access the inside of the drone. And to put it back is simple. Just snaps right into place. This doesn't have altitude hold, which means that once you take off, it's going to go either forward, backwards, sideways. It's just not going to stay in a fixed altitude position. So be aware of that. If you buy this, practice until you get a hang of it. And yeah, another thing, oh yes, prop guards. So put your prop guards on if it's your first time, because these, if you hear that, so it's pretty hard plastic, and this rotates so fast. These brushless motors are very powerful, and they could just, if you put your hand there, it'll probably nip it off. So safety first always, guys. Put this prop guard on. You can do that by just screwing it in. It comes with everything, as you can see in there. Everything is provided to you with a screwdriver, and just put that on for your own safety, for the safety of others. And it's just the way to go. You don't want to hurt yourself in the process if this is your first drone and you've never flown it before. So just do that. Don't try to fly this indoors, because it doesn't have altitude hold, and it doesn't have ultrasonic sensors or optical flow. Usually it's located on the bottom here, depending on the drone you buy, upper high end or semi-professional price range. And those have what's called ultrasonic sensors, and those emit ultrasonic waves down towards the ground. It keeps the drone in place so it knows what altitude it's at. And when you're landing, that optical flow lens helps together with the ultrasonic sensors to give you a smooth landing. And that's how that works. So this doesn't have that. So keep that in mind when you're buying it. It's sort of like a free fly. It's freestyle flying. If you've ever flown a racer drone, then this would be a breeze for you. But if you're a beginner, then you're gonna have to practice on the controls a bit. This is a wild beast in the air. So yeah. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much again for watching this video. If you can, please subscribe to my channel. And if not, it's okay. just by adding a quick little thumbs up, like, or comment. It helps a lot. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.